Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to D-Don Kitchen. Guys, today D-Don is back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. Guess what, guys? It will be fried breadfruit fritters. And I am using a roast breadfruit to do it. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to all my YouTuber, my supporter, viewer, subscriber, we are one big family of the YouTube. A very warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. I appreciate, guys, what you have been doing for me, because without you, I wouldn't have made it or been where I am on YouTube today. So, beautiful people, are you ready? Okay, yes, let's begin. Some smoked ham, and this is a sliced smoked ham. 5 slices. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tomato, plum tomato, Scotch bonnet pepper. But you're not using all of this pepper because it is spicy. Bell pepper. You know, back in the days in Jamaica, we couldn't afford bell pepper, and we call this like what? Sweet pepper. We couldn't afford it, so definitely it's optional. If you don't want to use it, no problem. You don't have to use it. 1 onion, but this is half an onion, and it depends on the size of the onion you're using. 1 cup of flour, wishing I will be adding some more flour to this. Probably half more cup. Half teaspoon of sazon and half teaspoon of chili pepper. And you need your salt, like 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here I'm using the Himalayan salt or Himalayan. I will be using like 1/4 teaspoonful, but you can go ahead, use your sea salt, whatever salt you have. Also your oil for frying. You can use your corn oil, vegetable oil, whatever you name it, but I will be using olive oil for frying. And here goes the star of the show, the breadfruit. And this breadfruit already roasted on the stove top. I also done a video how to roast the breadfruit, how to peel the breadfruit, and how to bake the breadfruit. So how to roast the breadfruit on the stove top, I did a video on it. And how to bake the breadfruit in the oven, I do a video on it. How to peel the breadfruit, I've done a video on it. And how to cook, peel and cook the green breadfruit, I've done a video on it. So this morning, it's gonna be the roast breadfruit on the stove top. I'm using it to make the breadfruit fritters or breadfruit cake fry. Also, you're gonna need your frying pan or your skillet. You can always get a gloves on your hand, or you can just begin as it is. So this morning I'm showing you how to peel the breadfruit. So this is the bottom of the breadfruit, and you're gonna peel your breadfruit from the bottom. Notice I hold the bottom. This breadfruit is not freshly roasted. It was in the fridge. And I want to tell you how many miles this breadfruit is coming from. I've traveled with this breadfruit all the way from Jamaica. So beautiful people, you are watching me peeling this breadfruit. And you like what you see, please to subscribe to my channel, D Don Kitchen. Like this video, share this video with your friend, a friend of a friend, a friend of a friend, friend of a friend. And hit that notification bell. So when D Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. This is also they push the knife in the bottom, Jamaican, when they roasting the breadfruit, so the steam can get inside the heart. That's the reason why you're seeing this line there. So now the breadfruit is finished peeling. You see, my hands dirty. Get your hands clean before you even hold it, because you don't want that dirty hand to black up the breadfruit that you just peel. Also, you will need 1 cup of water. So let me cut my breadfruit in half. I'm just using half of this. This is the core of the breadfruit. You're gonna remove the core, and just like this. You remove the core. So this is you put in the bin. It's no good. And you're gonna cut the breadfruit. Now you will be placing the breadfruit in your blender and some water, a little water. This is the breadfruit. You put in your blender or the NutriBullet. I'm putting it on the NutriBullet with a little water. You can see the water in it, right? So you see how it's looking. And let me do the rest. If you don't want to use the water and you have milk, you can always use some milk instead of the water. Let's go again. Now we will be sieving all the dry ingredient. As I told you, I'm gonna add some more flour to this, one more or half cup. Adding half more cup of flour. And always sieve, so whatever you're doing becomes very light. It's always good to sieve for any object, any lumps. So I just rinse all my vegetable and the ham. So you want to ensure you rinse all your stuff before you even begin. So that's your bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. Cut in cubes. Turn it around and cut. Just be careful of the knife and your finger. Onion. For the pepper, you just need a little piece. Just like this, good enough. Tomato. This tomato looks so yummy. I feel like I'd eat a slice. You're using the seed and everything. This gonna let your breadfruit fritters give it a nice soft this on the inside. And the arm, gonna add some salt. You can add whatever salt you need to add to this, just for your lightness. Because I said I just using 1/4 teaspoon. Now you have black pepper, you can always add some black pepper. I don't have any black pepper, so that's why I use the chili pepper. I don't know what's happening in the store now when you go out to buy black pepper. I ain't see any. So you stir this around. No water, nothing needed. You have enough juice in the breadfruit, because remember, we puree the breadfruit with water. So enough is in it for the flour. And you're going to add the flour gradually, little by little. You don't want to add everything one time. I'm going to add the rest of the flour. Just mix it until all the flour is combined. Okay, now we finish mixing. Now the pot is heated on the fire, the skillet. I'm just gonna pour the oil in. And now the oil is heated like 30 seconds. It's time to put our breadfruit cake in, our breadfruit fritters. You want to flatten it a little. And you're going to let it fry until each side becomes golden brown. Basically, it's like 10 to 15 minutes and we are finished. So just keep the fire on a medium high, and then after we flip it over, then we're going to turn the fire down low, because we really don't want our breadfruit cake or fried breadfruit fritters to burn. Let us turn over. It's time to remove breadfruit cake. It's like 15 minutes, and you see, as you can see, they are golden brown on the outside, both sides. So, hey beautiful people, the fritters is now ready. Or fried breadfruit patties or fried breadfruit cake with ham is now ready. And this is very new. This is a very new menu out there now on YouTube. And it was done by D.E. Don. So guys, I'm telling you, it is so delicious. It's really crunchy on the outside and mild on and soft on the inside. So please remember to thumbs up, share this video, leave a comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe. You can have this watching television, you can pack it to go to work for a light snack, anything. The kids would love it too. So you have a breadfruit. There's so many things, so much things you can do with a breadfruit. Not just fry and cook or just bake. Now you can do so many things with the breadfruit. I'm going to make a breadfruit cake too, also to put out on YouTube, and it will be new. So thank you, beautiful people. Stay safe. One love. Peace. Until next time, bye for now. Thank you for watching D Don Kitchen.